How to scan QR code on CapCut. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In order to do so, you may follow up these steps. So open up the application first, head over and open up CapCut on your device first. And then once you open it up, you should be finding this particular interface on your screen. Now what you may do is you need to be logged in first. So you can basically go ahead and log in and look out for the Me tab in the bottom right corner. And when you tap on it, your profile appears like this. So you may basically find the option called scan. There are different options available here. Look out for the scan option, usually located in the very last option right under help center. Look out for it, tap on it, and once you tap on it, you should be finding this scanner right here. So you can basically go ahead and place the QR code right below this scanner right here, and it will scan directly and connect the thing you're trying to connect in your application CapCut. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to scan a QR code in CapCut, you may follow up these steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.